Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, if you're not familiar, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. There's 3 different sizes. The little bag is $12.50, and you get 5 deluxe, sample, and some full-size products. Now, the next one, which is this one, the Glam Bag Plus, is $28, and you get 5 full-size products inside. They also have a Glam Bag X, which is more like a box. That comes quarterly, and that is $55, and you get 7 to 8 full-size products inside that box. Now, again, this one is the Glam Bag Plus for $28. Now, I have noticed that Ipsy snuck in like a $2 handling fee, like $1.99. And it's like, that fee was never there before, but this is just a way for them to raise the prices again, if you ask me. So, still affordable though, in my eyes. So here we go. Oh, this is different, okay. Soak it all in for July 2022. I did just unbox my Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular one that has the deluxe sizes in it. I'll go ahead and put the video up there for you. I will also link it down below for you. So here is the bag. We've got navy blue on one side and then a block pattern on the other with like a peach color, I would say peach, and a brown. These bags are great for storing things in your house, your electronical cords, makeup, just odd ends, you know, to categorize things. Anyway, you're more interested about what's inside. So let's take a peek. Do they list my products? They do not. Okay. So they did not list my products. I do wish they would. They're putting the card in here anyway. You're not saving anything except another step to look at my products. So what I will do is after I film this, I'll go ahead and put the prices of the products there for you. So let's dig in. The first thing I am pulling out is by Dr. Brandt. Eye cream, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. All skin types. Apply morning and night to the eye contour. Very nice. Very nice. The next product is by Jekka Black. It's a hydrate primer. It's a hydrating primer for the face. It is vegan friendly and cruelty free. That's what that looks like. Hydrating primer instantly moisturizes and refreshes the skin, helping makeup to be long-lasting. Apply all over the face using your fingertips and use before your makeup. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. Vegan friendly, vegan friendly and cruelty free. Let's see, is there a seal on it? There is a seal on it, so I won't open it because I have other face primers going. But I'm always glad to get them because I use them every time. The next thing is Be Seen Weightless Liquid Lipstick. Beauty for Real. And it is in the color All In. Beauty for Real. Okay. Do I have this color already? It looks very familiar. That's a really pretty color. No, this is, okay. Oh, they look so similar, don't they? But they're not. This one is Basic Beauty. And this one is Beauty for Real. Very similar. That one's shorter. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a peek at this color. on a doe foot. Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. Yes, I am happy to get that. Okay. The next thing is by V Cosmetics. It's this little the next thing is by V Cosmetics. It's loose powder. And let's see, N2. It's a cool neutral. Okay. Ooh, what a pretty little pot. That's really, really pretty. I can appreciate that it's small too. Is there a seal on the outside? No. So that is the color. It is definitely a neutral. It's very light, but it's perfect for powdering, you know, setting your makeup, setting your eye primer, things like that. Freshening up your makeup. So I'm glad to get that. And the last thing in my bag is, oh my goodness, what is this? Core's Santorini Grape, a poreless skin cream. It has salicylic acid and smooth and balance. That's what that looks like. You know, some words just trip you up. Salicylic is one of those. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that color green. There is a description, but I can't see it. Okay. It's a lightweight cream that clears the way for poreless skin with antioxidant-rich Santorini grape for balanced all-day hydration. So that's what that product is. And that was the last product. I did get 5 products this time. I got the Fancy Dancy cream. I got the powder, loose powder. The eye cream. The hydrate primer. And a liquid lip. And the total for today comes to, and it is so worth it to me to pay such a fraction of the price for brand names you probably wouldn't be able to afford at Ulta or Sephora. But if you do want to get some makeup and some skincare products at a discounted rate, that's where subscription boxes come in real handy. And I am really happy that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.